Okay guys, good morning! We are back in Amsterdam. At kasalukuyan nga pala tayong merong napakagandang panahon. Time check. Anong oras na ngayon, Lynn? AM. So, 8 AM, di ba? Napakaganda ng ating panahon. So, ini-encourage ka talaga ng panahon na wag lumabas.
Nice!
At umiga ka na sa kama. Okay. So, ito yung aming mga gamit. We are now preparing for the breakfast. Ito na ba ang ating kanin? Salamat sa aming sponsor na si Ate Claire from Germany. Ang dami naming dala-dalang mga ayuday. Wow! Hinaan lang natin yan kasi hindi pa luto yung kanin. Okay. So, bonggang-bongga yung mga paayuda ni Ate Kleng. Parang kala mo, nagpunta kami ng Germany para humakot ng mga pagkain.
Perfect!
Ito, binigay din niya to. So, syempre, kasi naman itapon namin.
So,
Nilagan na lang namin siya. So, ito pa. Walang sa, ang laking bread. Oh. Ilang araw lang kami din. Ang laki ng bread.
wow!
Thank you, Ate Kleng.
Sabi ko kasi tingin ito ko. Sarap itong maraming garlic. Ito din na laking garlic.
Ito nga pala. Oh! Okay guys, we are now preparing. Going outside for breakfast.
Hi guys, for today's video we decided to wear this super warm wool thing for today's video.
Which
My
brand
love
is
for
this?
This is a gift from my friend. Actually, it's not a gift. I stole it from my friend Danny. And this one is from my friend Melissa. Oh, I'm not wearing anything that's mine.
Wait, what?
Which brand?
Nyara.
Nyara?
Yeah.
Zara.
Yeah.
Okay.
And look at my cutie bag. This
Oh.
is Demetria.
Ayun.
See the cutie by my Michael uncle. My very good friend. My very good friend.
Okay, and your shoes?
Shoes is Galung.
Outfit for today. Okay, it's very
Outfit for the day is a Christmas outfit.
My outfit for today is jingle belly, jingle belly, jingle all the way. It's green daw to. It's red and green. Okay, so it's very Christmas.
We are very Christmassy today. In fact.
Oh my god!
Too much Christmas, huh?
Gosh. Oh, this one smells nice.
Okay, temperature outside is 5 degrees. It feels like 2. So, sana walang hangin. Kung mabasa man tayo, waterproof ako.
I have
Ikaw,
payong.
you have payong. Oh, I have payong also. Okay, bye. Going outside. Wow! Guys, gato nga pala kami mag-trip. Umuulan ngayon. Pero guess what? Saan kami pupunta?
Sana uminan tayong Pinas. Gusto mo lang pala yung lalakad ka na umuulan. Taka pa na Amsterdam.
Saan tayo pupunta ngayon?
Sa ice cream. Tapos kakain na ice cream doon.
Kakain ko ng ice cream doon, okay? museum para
Kumain.
lumapang. Maasim. Okay guys, tapos na pala kami mag-Rix Museum. So I hope na-enjoy ninyo yung panonood ng video na to. Salamat.